Hey, what's up guys? So today we're going to take the square body drag racing. I've been working on this thing a little bit, getting some last minute details lined up, and we're just getting ready to leave here. I swapped my normal wheels for these because they're a little taller and a little narrower, and I think they're going to roll just a little bit better. They're going to be a little bit better for breaking the beams. You guys haven't seen the black hood on this thing yet, but I put the hood from the Cummins on it. Put a full exhaust on here. You can just kind of see the exhaust down there, just barely. But yeah, so we're gonna take this thing out and we're gonna see what she'll do. If I have to guess, I'll be happy if it gets in the 12s, honestly. So I'm fighting that boost creep issue, and I'm not making 15 pounds until the very top of every gear. So we're gonna put a little more timing in it. We're gonna drop the rear air pressure down so that I can launch a little higher RPM, and hopefully we'll be down the 12s. All right, so we made it to the gas station. I just topped off the tank. This is the additive I'm using. It's VP Racing Octanium. It's supposed to increase it by 8 full numbers of octane, so basically it'll bump it up to like 100, probably 101. So we got a couple big bags of ice. We're gonna dump at least one of them in there. You guys can see right there the water's starting to flow through, starting to melt some of the ice. My intake temps were around 93, so they were pretty warm on the way over here. Alright, so we're ready to rock. I'm going to bump timing some. So right now I'm running about 15 degrees at 11 degrees at around 15 pounds of boost. So we're gonna bump timing, and we're gonna probably bump it to about 14 at 15 pounds of boost, wide open throttle, and we're gonna see how it likes it. So anyway, we'll see you guys at the track. I just figured I'd show you how fast. When I started this thing up like 2 seconds ago, it was at 91 degrees, the manifold air temperature there. Now it's already at like 67, so it should work. We'll see how much ice we have to go through. I might have to get a couple more bags. We'll just play it by ear. This is the first time I've ever had this thing to the drag strip, so we'll see how she does. So we made it to the track. We're gonna put a little more ice in the intercooler, or in the ice box. We got a couple more bags there. We're gonna see if we can get this thing knocked down a little bit. It was running about 97 on the manifold intake temperature, so we're gonna see if we can get her down. So my other GoPro quit working. This is a Hero 8, and it just completely died on me for some reason. So unfortunately I'm not going to be able to get a different angle with this one, but we're gonna see what she runs. I'll be happy if it breaks 13s, but it gets in the 12s, but we'll see. First time this truck's ever run at a drag strip, so we'll see how she does. All right, we're getting ready to go here. 1348. It's awful. Absolutely horrible. Let her cool down and we'll run again. So, we discovered that we were only running about 1 degree of timing at 14 pounds of boost, so we bumped that up to 10, gave it another 250 RPM.
Out on the outside side, and it's 2004 Mach 1.
At red line. So, yeah, drop the tire pressure.
Robert Taylor takes
over
125.
Maybe oil it down.
I hope not.
So anyway, we dropped the tire pressure to 20 pounds in the rear,
70 miles an hour.
and we're gonna go see what this thing can do. Put another 3 degrees of timing in it, and went ahead and dropped tire pressure by another like 3 pounds. So we'll see what happens. All right, we're about to make our second pass. Yeah, it was at 13.8. Same mile an hour though, so. Well guys, that last run was pretty disappointing. It slowed down a little bit. I spun almost all the way through first, so we're gonna go ahead and give her another try. Maybe drop the launch RPM just a little bit. And I dropped some air pressure in it, changed the shift points a little bit, and see what she does. at 13.27 at 105 mile an hour, so we picked up mile an hour or so. All right, we got tire pressure down to about 12 pounds. We're gonna see what she does. Just getting ready to pull up here. that's going to be it for tonight. Stainless diesel out here.
858 at 128 mile an hour.
God dang, that thing's fast. All right, well, it didn't do as good as I'd hoped, but we got some runs in, we got some stuff to sort out.
Alright, guys, Osceola Dragway is now closed for the evening. We'll see you back Sunday morning. Gates open at 9 a.m.
I'm gonna try to get a little bit more tire and get the two-step set up, launch with a little more RPM, and get the boost creep issue figured out. So we'll see if we can't come out here and bust off a little bit better time. It was a 13.2 is the best time with this setup on street tires. So, foot braking it on street tires, I'll take it, I guess. Could be better, but it ain't dialed in yet. So we'll see you guys next time. Peace.